acceptance, a little less hate. There's really no big difference. Love is love anyway. Why was I born this way? There must be a reason why the words are so hard to say. I can barely open up my mouth. On a rocket into outer space, I'm picking up, dropping.
Our company is offering a solution. It's called Actuators Mobile. It's to visualize and to control your systems. It's very flexible. You're able to build an own custom solution, and I can show you something. You can control the temperature, the wind speed. You can arrange it to the customer's needs.
We have a different technology for any kinds of lighting controls, and the KNX is one of our latest new products. Yeah, and the KNX sensors is many to control all the lighting facilities. Yeah, you know, KNX is a big systems. The sensor is one of the KNX systems. And we have the ability to supply all the kind of KNX sensors for the members.
We're expanding the KNX possibilities because we are using our video door phone system with the KNX router. And this router can be also connected to any kind of KNX devices. And you can also use our applications like voice control. And you can also use the applications in the video door phone. So the KNX system works in a second with this one.
We make a lot of flush-mounted devices that are very, very small, like this flush-mounted switch actuator with 4 channels, 10 amps, that has already included binary inputs in the same device. We are making especially also this ceiling fan actuator that can vary the speed of ceiling fans. Another of our specialties is this DALI gateway. It's a KNX to DALI actuator, and so with this you can control DALI lamps without having knowledge of DALI.
These are our new line of switches with thermostat function also integrated. These are capacitive touch buttons, but we have push ones also. And this range starts from 1 volt up to 6 volt, and we provide full colors and materials. What I mean by materials is aluminum, brass, stainless steel or plastics.
And this is KNX panel, and this is touch panel, and intelligent gateway, and this actuator universal interface.
We have a new device for KNX. It is named Meter Gateway to collect all these data of different M-Bus and wireless M-Bus meters to send it on KNX.
Well, what we see here now is our tile switch, for example, this one. It's possible to mount behind a wood, a tile or a glass. And as you see it here, it's hidden. And you can, for example, go with a wipe, watch the light here, or go up. We have different levels of usage, like going the lights here, green or off.
This is the world's first KNX controller, all integrated in this one. You can control the lights, control the curtains, system configuration, your temperature at home.
The first intelligent charging station for e-cars. So we provided with the Gira home server, so we can manage the power of our building and the production with solar energy or something like that. So you can load your cars with green energy. And you can manage such situations like when you plug in the car when you're coming home, so some lights going on and you have a come home scene.
What we do is blind controls. We can control the blinds for all products with KNX. This is a control for 3 motors. and we have the new DCA to make the configuration for this controller.
And right on this side, we are showing all our touch panels of different size, different styles of 5-inch touch panel, 3.5-inch touch panel, and the 6-button touch switches.
And what we're showcasing this year at the Light + Building is brand new. It's augmented reality. So you can point your iPad or iPhone or Android device at any light object that you have in your room, sonars, alarm systems, whatever, and see it and control it. And also we've included iBeacon control, so wherever you walk with your iPhone or iPad or Android device, the system knows where you are, so it automatically switches to the zone, and if you want to, turns on the light, turns off the lights, whatever you want to do.
Yeah, this is our provided 3 series KNX products. The first one is Origin series. They got IF Design Award for this year. Excellent design and excellent quality.
This year we are introducing a brand new IR to KNX gateway, which you can control all the air conditioning that using IR. So every brand in the world. So it doesn't matter if it's a new brand, it doesn't matter if it's a new model. You just use our gateway and it's universal. You can do it everything. You can control temperature, you can control fan speed on off, everything.
This technology gives you ability to visualize and have the automation part of any kind of project. If you have KNX and many other protocols inside there. So what you can do is you can install our software on different kinds of devices like Windows, iOS, Android and others. And also we have an offer for vendor now. So vendors can take our piece of software and use inside their controllers.
A complete KNX ecosystem focusing on the connectivity side. So we became this year a one-stop shop solution for KNX by being able to offer both twisted pair RF and PLC communication compatible and certified for a KNX application.
So we've just got KNX Anywhere, which is something that allows remote access, secure remote access for people to get into their buildings and use their visualization apps on their phones or their desktops so that they can make changes to their system, turn lights on and off and learn things remotely, but do it securely so that people can't break in and change things on their houses without their knowledge.
What we're showing here is a new line of KNX touch glass sensors that are very special in the way they work. We have a large variety of functions that we offer, but also a very nice design for single, dual, or quadruple switching functions, and more functionality that you have in the room for a complete room automation with a very nice user interface.
The main benefits of this motor and this constellation of solutions that first of all you can reach accurate positions of these with these blinds thanks to the digital connection to the motors. So you can see it reaches exactly current positions.
We have a camera system which is brand new and we are really the only one which has this kind of system. So with that system you have the possibility not only to detect movement of people but also to count people. So we are really a specialist in that area of sensor technology.
We have different type of series modules for different control, and we also have some panels, different style panel. This is one kind of panels. We will control the lighting, cool tone, air condition, and everything. And also we have deployed the new products for the software to app control, because as you know, everyone we have the iPhone, iPads, and also at homes. So we can using everything to elevate to control my house.
On a rocket into outer space.
We have this series of dedicated KNX touch panels, which have the KNX server integrated. Therefore, you don't need an additional server, you don't need additional visualization software. It's all in the panel. You only work with ETS to set it up. We have intercom in there as well. We have temperature sensors, we have switches. It's all in one design, designed to last, designed to run 24/7 in wall without any trouble.
We produce the aesthetical parts in glasses, stone, flat glass or Korean, but we are possible to produce in other materials, in leather or in wood or any other materials. We are possible to customize the colors or the quality of the stone.
So we've got different products. We produce sun shading system and control systems as well. And we've got actuators for sun shading motors, for 2, for 4, for 6, for 8 motors in surface housing or in Dilrain housing.
The new device is the WireGate server 850, and it is a gateway with the most integrated number of interfaces. We have here 3 different buses for one wire. It's a very simple system for connecting 240 sensors on it. Then we have an extension bus for more modules based on a CAN bus from automotive technology. This is a serial interface. And here we have 2 other serial interfaces which can be used for DMX, which is a new coming lightning interface for a smart home.
The first energy harvesting switch supporting the KNX RF protocol. And therefore you can integrate this energy harvesting switch direct in your ETS5 world. And this is the big advantage and the unique selling point of the product.
Keep fucking up lives, I just wanna be